Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate WordPress for blogging, full guide step by step clearly. To activate WordPress for blogging, start by choosing a hosting provider. Visit the website of your chosen hosting service. Select a hosting plan that suits your needs. Proceed to create your account by filling out the required information. After you complete the registration, you'll receive a confirmation email. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Next, log into your hosting control panel. Look for the option to install WordPress. Many hosting services offer a one-click installation feature for WordPress. Select this feature to begin the installation process. Choose the domain name for your blog during the installation setup. Fill in the required details such as site title, username, and password. Once you've entered the information, click on the Install button. Wait a few moments while WordPress is installed. When the installation is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. You can now access your WordPress dashboard by following the provided link. Log in using the username and password you created earlier. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the various sections such as posts, media, and pages. To customize your blog, navigate to the Appearance section. Select a theme that reflects your blogging style. Install and activate the theme of your choice. Next, you can add essential plugins for enhanced functionality. Browse the plugin directory and install what you need. Activate each plugin once installed to start utilizing its features. Now, create your first blog post by going to the Posts section. Click on Add New to start drafting your content. Make sure to add a catchy title and engaging content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.